Okay, welcome na naman sa aking YT channel. So ngayon, pagtatalakayin naman natin kung paano mag-travel ang heat. So in my previous video, pinag-usapan natin kung paano mag-travel ang light, di ba? Light travels in a straight line. Paano naman ang heat? Paano mag-travel ang heat? So let me share my screen. Okay, let me share. Okay, ang topic natin ngayon ay ito. How does heat travel? Kung may alam po kayo, i-comment nyo na doon sa comment box para malaman namin kung paano ano ba yung mga ways para makatravel itong heat. Yung init. Okay? Ito pa rin yung milk natin. Describe how light, sound, and heat travel. So magpo-focus tayo sa heat. Identify how heat travels in an object. Show helpful ways to protect oneself from exposure to excessive heat. Okay, let us open this link. This is PET simulation. Or para mas mabilis nyo ma-navigate to, punta lang kayo sa pet.colorado.edu. And then choose nyo lang ito. Itong title ng simulation, energy, forms, and changes. So hindi talaga ito yung main topic natin. We will just use this simulation para ma-explain natin kung paano ba nagte-travel ang heat sa isang object. Click this intro. Dito sa simulation, may makikita kayong temperature, may makikita kayong energy symbols, link heaters, may objects, solid object dito, iron and brick. May heater tayo dito. Meron tayong liquid, water, and oil. So, click muna natin yung energy symbols and link heaters. So, yung energy symbols, ito yung ang nagre-represent ng energy, heat energy, kung paano lumilipat yung heat sa isang object. Okay, try muna natin yung water. Okay, painitin natin to. Okay, i-heat up natin. So, yung napapansin nyo yung heat energy lumilipat doon sa liquid. Hanggang sa mapuno na yung liquid ng energy. Heat energy. So, nakikita niyo nag-evaporate yung nagkikreate ng gas. Kasi yung molecules ay gumagalaw na. Okay? It carries heat energy. So, that is the reason why it moves quickly and moves upward. Yan. Hindi na kinaya ng liquid kaya nag-transport na siya or nag-convert siya into gas. Okay, try naman natin ito mainit. So, dahan-dahan kayo baka kasi mapasok kayo. Ayan, lagay naman natin yung brick and iron. I-heat up natin. Okay. Yan, nakikita natin yung heat energy, di ba? Yan. Tumatagos yung heat energy doon sa solid object, sa brick and iron. Kasi, free-moving yan gumagalaw yung molecules doon sa iron and brick. Kaya yung heat energy gusto niyang kumawala or lumipat sa ibang medium. Yan, sa air. This simulation explains ways on how heat travel. Okay, how heat travels. Yan masyado mainit na siya. Try natin yung water and olive oil. Lagay natin yung bricks dito sa olive oil. Yan, napuno na siya. Yan. Check natin yung temperature. Ay, ayan. Di ba? Pwede niya gamitin to. Yan. Pa-check kung mainit na ba siya. O, di ba? Ayan. So, i-heat up natin. Para makita niyo talaga. Maglagay tayo ng temperature dito. Okay. Ayan. Wait lang. Ayan. Ayan. Para makita niyo kung gaano natatransfer yung heat or umiinit yung object. Okay. Di ba kita nyo? Ayan. Okay, so try to navigate this simulation. So, kopyahin nyo lang yung search nyo lang yung fet.colorado.edu. Hanapin nyo lang itong simulation na ito. Or, kopyahin nyo lang yan. Yan nandito. Or I will provide it on the comment box na lang. Para may redirect kayo doon sa link mo. Okay, yan, i-reset nyo lang. So, balik na tayo sa ating PowerPoint sa slides natin. How does heat travel? Heat can flow from hot object to a cool object. Heat flows in different ways, namely conduction, convection, and radiation. So paano ba ito conduction, convection, and radiation? So may clue na tayo doon sa ginamit nating simulation. May clue na tayo kung ano yung conduction doon, convection, at saka radiation. So first, saan ba nag-travel yung heat? Same lang naman siya sa sound and light. Pwede mag-travel sa solid, liquid, and gas. Oh my gosh, hindi ko na to ipi-play kasi baka ma-copyright ako. Okay, dito na tayo. Sapat na siguro yung simulation para ma-explain yung conduction, convection, and radiation. So when we say conduction, this is a flow of heat through solids. During conduction, the solids do not move. It occurs best in metals such as iron, stainless steel, and aluminum. And metals such as ceramics, rubber, and wood are poor heat conductors. So may tinatawag tayong heat conductors and poor heat conductors. So nakita natin doon sa simulation, gumamit tayo ng iron and brick. So kapag solid, intact yung molecule, so hindi siya maghihiwalay. Gagalaw siya ng konti, pero yung transfer of heat mas mabilis. Gumagapang doon sa object na yan. Lalong-lalo na sa iron, stainless steel, aluminum. So bakit sinasabing poor heat conductors yung ceramics, rubber, and wood? Kasi pag na-expose sila sa heat, may tendency na masunog sila. Okay? Or create ng fire. Kaya poor heat conductor sila. Yan. This simply explain how heat transfer by conduction. Try to look at this illustration. Ito yung source ng heat. So heat travels from hot to cold. Diba? Hot ito, then cold. Didikit mo yung cold objects. Yan. Once na absorb noong solid object yung heat, gagapang na yan at yung molecules gagalaw. Okay? Gagalaw yan at maipapasa yung heat sa iba pang mga molecules. Next, ayan, conduction. Okay, titiging mabuti. Ayan. Ito yung best explanation. Okay? Ang metal may atom yan. Okay? If simply simplihan natin, molecules na lang para hindi kayo masyado malito. So molecules are energized and start vibrating when it is exposed to a certain heat. Ayan, heat na yan. Lilipat yung heat papunta doon sa ibang mga molecules. Dahil may vibration, gumagalaw yung molecules. So lilipat talaga yung heat, matatransfer talaga. So heat and vibration spread. Okay, when electrons absorb heat, they vibrate more quickly and move around. So they can pass on the energy more quickly. So yung object, it is composed of atom. Diba? Atom is composed of electron and protons. So yung electrons yung gumagalaw. Once na naka-receive siya ng heat, energy, magbabibrate siya, gagalaw siya, at matatransfer niya yung energy, heat energy, sa iba pang mga electrons. Next is convection. Convection is the flow of heat through liquids and gases. So during convection, the liquid or gas moves. When we are boiling water, we can see that the water at the bottom moves to the top and moves down again in a cycle. The heat is being circulated even in the water. Yung water cycle, di ba? Kapag na-expose yung tubig sa heat, nag-evaporate siya. And cycle moves down again. And pabalik-balik lang siya. Tubig, gas, liquid, gas, liquid, gas. So, dalawa ang medium na pwedeng mag-travel ang heat, pwedeng air and liquid, air and water, liquid and gas. So, through convection. So, syempre, mayroon tayong source, yung heat. Once na na-expose yung liquid sa heat, tinatawag natin itong convection current. So, syempre, free-moving naman kasi molecules ng tubig. Okay, once na na-expose yan sa heat, gagalaw yan. Yung heat, yung mainit na molecules, tataas yan, it will move upward. And yung malamig na tubig, yung liquid, bababa yan. Hanggang sa mag-circulate na yung tubig at lahat ay uminit na, maging mainit na siya. Kapag sobrang mainit na, so yung paggalaw ng molecules ay mabilis at na-convert ito into gas. Ayan. So once na na-expose yung tubig, nagkakaroon tayo ng convection current. Warmer water rises and cooler water descends. At pwede nating maipasa ng mainit na tubig yung heat sa air, sa gas. Ayan, ma-convert din siya into gas. Ayan. Okay, next is radiation. It is the flow of heat in the form of waves through an empty space or a vacuum. Heat can travel also in a vacuum, okay, in an empty space. So magkasama yung heat and light. Okay, yung light waves and heat waves magkasama na yan. Iisa na yan. Okay? Pero pag-separate na lang natin. Yung heat waves, yung coming from the source, meron tayong waves, invisible waves na yan. We call that as heat waves. So there is no medium to carry the heat. Okay? There is an empty space between the earth and the sun. So the heat from the sun reaches us by radiation. Okay? Ayan. Ito yung sun, ito yung earth. Yung heat waves, it reaches the earth atmosphere at papuntang kapag na-absorb na yung atmosphere, papasok na yung papunta doon sa ating sa surface. Sa iba pang mga object na nandoon sa earth. Ayan. Light travels through radiation. Parang magkakambal sila ng light. Di ba? Light at saka heat. Ayan. Okay. Okay, look at this illustration. Ito po yung radiation. Through radiation, uh, heat can travel in a medium. Katulad ng solid, liquid, and gas. Yan. Heat can travel through radiation, conduction, and convection. So activity. Let us identify the methods of heat flow. Okay, can you look at this illustration? I'll turn on the fan. All the warmest air is up near the ceiling. Okay, convection. Ito, ironing the clothes. This is conduction. This is radiation. This one. Okay, this is conduction. Transfer of heat through a fluid caused by motion. This is convection. This one, tatatapat natin yung kamay natin sa apoy. This is radiation. Okay, this one, heart a balloon. This is convection. This is radiation. This is radiation. Or convection. Kasi may air naman, may gas naman sa oxygen, di ba? Carbon dioxide. Spoon in hot coffee getting hotter to the end of the spoon. Conduction. Okay, these are my references and previous links doon sa simulation na pwede nyo gamitin. I hope you learned something. Peace out!